Okay. Stand up, please. Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks.
Thank you. Now let's sing Daddy Finger.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
Okay, thank you. Very good, students. Thank you, sit down, please. Okay, now let's say numbers from 1 to 3. Okay?
Hello, my name is Suji.
1, 2,
3,
3. 1, 2,
3,
3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Okay, very good, students. Now, let's introduce yourself. For example, my name is Atong. My number is 1. Okay? 자, different please see.
Hello, my name is Tijmu. My number is 1.
1.
My name is Tushkamaru. My number is 2.
Okay, very
Hello,
good.
my name is Ismu. My number is 3.
Okay, say wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Ashkrit. My number is 1.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Kansatra. My number is 2.
Okay?
Wow. Hello, my name is Ryan. My number is 3.
Three.
Hello, my name is Ayurta. My number is 1.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Ayurta. My number is 2. Hello, my name is Sahasura. My number is 3. Wow. Hello, my name is Anatha. My number is 1. Hello, my name is Sakmo. My number is 3.
3. Wow. Okay. Very good, students.
Hello, my name is Georgia. My number is 3. Hello, my name is Devendra. My number is 1.
Okay?
Wow. Hello, my name is Tanjit. My number is 3.
3. Very good.
My
Name is?
name is Yunus. Hello, my number is 3.
3.
Wow.
Hello, my name is Basamba. My number is 1.
Okay. Wow. Okay, very good, students. Now, number 1, please sit here. Number 2, please sit here. Okay, please sit down. Number 1, please sit here. Number 2. Number 3, please sit here. Number 3, please sit here. 자, okay, please sit here. Okay, very good, students. David, okay, 자, we'll learn it previous lesson. We'll learn some numbers and also school objects. Okay, now let's repeat. 자, first group say numbers. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
very good, students. Second group, please say numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Third group, please say numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, very good, students. Now we learned also some questions. Okay, what is this?
This is a marker.
How many markers?
2 markers.
Very good, students. 자, please ask. What What?
What is this?
This is a book. How many books?
3 books.
2 books. Okay, very good. Okay, now. Just a minute. Please ask other groups.
What is this?
This is a ruler.
Ruler. Okay, very good students. Alex, to the moment, please ask.
What is this?
This is a sharpener.
Sharpener. Okay, please ask.
What is this?
This is a screwdriver.
Okay, very good students.
What is this? This is a pencil case.
Very good. Yanlış
What is this? This is a pen.
Yeah. Okay, very good students. Today, 28th of November, Friday. Today's lesson topic. It's our classroom. It's our classroom. 다음 수업 주제. 자, classroom. 한국 소지. 뭐 단계겠다. Classroom. Today we are going to learn name classroom objects and also answer the questions. 자, 오늘 그래도 다행히 주신 뉴스 초판에 데려쓰면 없었다. 잘하세요. 오케이. 자, first word. Airport. Airport. Okay, please spell. Okay, board. Good. Board. There is something. Board. Okay, board. 자, next word. A window. Okay, please spell. Okay, very good students. Yeah. Something. Window. Okay, window. A desk. Please spell. Okay, very good. Desk. 자, next word. A chair. 자, please spell. Okay, very good students. Chair. 자, next word. A map. Please spell. door, a board, a map, a chair, a window, a desk. A window. Did you finish? Yes. Okay, very good students. Okay. 오늘 주제도 비들이 났을 때 웃지 마. This what is this? 이거 적는데? Okay, very good. 자, what is this? What is this? What is this? A board. A board. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, very good students. Yeah, please say words one more time. Map. Okay. So also we learned this question. How many desks? For example, sugar can desks. How should 자, how many doors? Okay, very good. How many desks? Four desks. How many chairs? Okay, very good. 5 chairs. How many boards? 4 boards. Okay, very good. How many maps? 3 maps. How many windows? Okay, very good. 6 windows. 자, now open your book, please. Open your book, please. 자, 나머지는 page number 31. Read the books. 자, please look this exercise. This, okay? At first I'll ask you answer. Then you will match this picture. 자, 이렇게 보시면 비슷한 하나 다르고 나란히 그래서 match. 자, what is this? This is a board. How many boards? 2 boards. Okay. What is this? Desk. How many desks? 3 desks. Okay, very good. What is this? Book. 엄청 들었습니다. How many books? 4 books. What is this? How many school bags? 3 school bags. How many pens? 2 pens. How many pens? 5 pens. Okay, now please match. 자, 펜들을 matching 이렇게 더 적당한 거. 자, 그렇습니다. 자, 이때를 더 적당한 거. from each groups. And that's it.
What is this? This is mine.
Okay, very good. 자, you please. 자, next. How many?
What is this?
This
is a window.
아까 how many 그랬어요? How many
How many?
windows? Okay.
Three windows.
Okay, very good student. Your group, okay, please ask.
How many school bags?
Please show. 들어가봐. How many school bags? How many school bags?
Two school bags.
Okay, very good, your group. Raise your hand. Okay, go. 어디 갔어? 난 데로 있어.
What is this? This is pencil.
Pencil. How many?
How many?
Pencils.
Pencils.
How many pencils?
Eight pencils.
그들의
Eight pencils.
Okay, very good. Your group, go ask. 자, 이거 주셨어. 자, 나와있어.
How many?
Oh, very good. How many books?
Five books.
5 books. Very good. 자, 무슨 뜻이야?
What is this? This is a rubber.
They're rubber. How many rubbers?
How many rubbers?
How many rubbers? How many rubbers?
Six
Rubbers. This is 6 rubbers. Okay, very good students. Now, please draw picture. 자, please draw picture. 자, 저쪽으로 행사. Please draw pictures. 자, first word. A door. A door. A door. A door. A door. Okay, did you finish?
Yes.
Okay, please show. Okay, very good students. Doors. Okay, very good. 자, next picture. A window. A window. A window. A window. A window. Okay. Did you finish?
Yes.
Okay, please show. Okay, very good students. Window. Okay, very good. Okay. Now your group, each group, please say one word to other groups. 자, 안에 볼게. 스토리 저한테.
Board.
Board. Please draw board. Board. Did you finish?
Yes.
Okay, please show. Okay, very good. straw and mat. Okay, did you finish?
Yes!
Okay, please show. Okay, very good students. Okay, very good. So, next group, please see one more group. Okay, desk. Yes. Okay, very good students. Did you finish?
Yes!
Okay, please show. Okay, very good students. Yes. Okay, very good. Your group? Your group? Their group? A door. Okay, a door. Did you finish?
Yes!
Okay, please show. Okay, very good students. Very good. 자, 여러분, 어떤 영어로 붙이는데? Which word? 영어로 붙여?
Chair.
Okay. Now please draw a chair. Chair. Okay, did you finish?
Yes!
Okay, please show. Okay, very good students. Good, good, good. Okay, very good. Very good students. Now, please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand in down line. 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 Okay. 자, now I give you some pictures. You ask and answer it. 자, for example. 그대로 갖다
How many?
Okay. For example, what is this?
This is a window.
This is
What is this?
This is a window. Say, okay. Did you understand? That's not. That is top. 발을 넣었다가 돌리면 돼요. 넣었다가 돌리면 돼요. 자. Okay. What is this? sometimes this is a 넣었다가 돌리면 자. 그때를 해주시죠. 자, also how many 넣었다가 좋은 데라고 오는 거 얘를 다루고 네가 에, 네? 네가 에 텍스트 에, 나 팀으로 에 그랬을 니를 가서 밑으로 붙이도록 쓰면 자, math 팀으로 에 삭제 되는데 플러스 자, 팀어 에 Şöyle hayır katılımları koy. Two maps. Geçmişini göster. What is this? This is 우리 봐. 무슨 소리인데? Okay. chairs. Okay, very good. Good. What is this? This is a door. Okay, very good. How many doors are the answer? 하루히. Okay, this is a door. This is ингэж чинь. How many doors? Тэгэнтэй харуул. Okay, very good students. What is this? This is a board. 얘기 нэг удаа авчих шүү дээ. How many desks? Okay. Одоо энэ дээр хариулна. Please answer. Okay, very good students. How many maps гэж асуултанд авчин те. Хариуллаа. Map. Нэг газар нь авчихсан. Okay, very good. Next group. This is a board. Okay, very good. Ata how many boards? Right, What is this? This is a window. How many desks? 2 desks. Okay, very good students. How many chairs? Тавхан таг ингэж чинь те. 5 chairs. Okay, very good students. What is this? What is this? This is a map. Okay, very good students. Одоо how many гэдэг асуултанд тавина шүү. How many? What is this? This is a map. Okay. How many maps гэж асуулт тавьчаад хариулна те. A map. Okay, very good students. За next. What is this? This is a chair. Нэг л явна шүү дээ. Chair гэдэг чинь эндээ давдаг. Энийг ганц авчирээ. Одоо how many chairs асуулт байна те. How many chairs? Шинэ зураг чинь санагдаж байна. Okay. What is this? This is a chair. How many chairs? Олон талтай асуулаа. A chair. Okay, very good student. За. This is a window. Okay, good. How many? Одоо how many windows гэсэн тийм чиний зурагч window. How many windows? A window. Okay, very good student. What is this? This is door. How many doors? A door. Okay, very good. Next one. This is a desk. Энд A гэдэг чинь нэр угаастай өгсөн учраас энд нэг л яав те хоёр бичихгүй. Одоо юугаар асуучих вэ? How many desks? Okay, very good students. Did you finish? Did you finish? Yes. Okay, yes. The first group. Who say your sentence? Think. 하루부터 읽고. 봅시다. 자,
What is this?
This
is a chair.
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a
Okay, very good.
What is this? A window.
No, this is a window. Okay.
What is this? This is a door.
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a door.
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a door.
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a window.
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a map.
Okay, very good.
What is this? What? This is a what?
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a chair.
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a map.
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a door. What
Okay.
is this? This is a
Desk. Okay, very good.
what is this? This is a window.
Okay, very good.
What is this? This is a this
Chair.
Chair.
Chair. Okay.
What is this?
This is
This is a
chair. Chair. Okay, very good students. Now repeat. Okay. say window.
Window. This.
Okay, door.
Door.
Okay, board.
Board.
Okay, chair.
Chair.
Mat.
Mat.
Okay, very good students. 자, today we will learn classroom objects and also answer the questions, okay? Did you understand the lesson? Did you understand? 자, 하나 그룹에서 어떻게 배우기? Okay, very good students. 잘했으면 Okay, very good students. 잘했으면 Okay, very good students. 자, 복대를 시작되었으면 Okay, very good students. 자, şimdi it's homework. şimdi 나쁜. 자, өнөөдөр үзүүгээд чи бүгшнийг хэрэгцсэн байж байгаа. За, ингээд дутуу байгаад, за, энэ дутуу байгаа зургийг гүйцэд зураад, дэвтэр дээр асуултаа бичээ, хариулт тавьчих. Жишээ, what is this? Асуултаа тавьлаа. This is a window. Ингээд бүгдээр дээр асуултаа тавиад энийг авах. Гүйцэд ирсэн юм шүү. За, яа. За. Okay, thank you for our lesson very actively. Okay, very good students. Bye, see you next time. Okay? 자, 이제